Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I will show you the live price prediction of Zilliqa. What's the price change going in Zilliqa, what's the price change currently occurs in Zilliqa, and what is the price changes, and what's the high price, and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Zilliqa. In this video friends I will show you with the live proof. So before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's get start the video, and first of all we look the price prediction of Zilliqa. After that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold Zilliqa in a cryptocurrencies market. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of Zilliqa of the previous last 1 hour. This change occur in the last 1 hour of Zilliqa, and currently change occur in Zilliqa. As you can see here, the average change in the last 1 hour is about negative 1.4% change occur in Zilliqa in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Zilliqa is about $0.218557 is the high price of Zilliqa in the last 1 hour. And friends, if we look the chart analysis of the Zilliqa, so the chart analysis tell us that currently at this time there is a falling period of Zilliqa. As you can see here, they falls down and currently they are also in the falling down. So friends, that is the last 1 hour price prediction. Now let's see the last 2 hour price prediction of the Zilliqa, what's going and the previous 2 hour and the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. As you can see now on the screen, the chart tell us that the previous 2 hours they continuously falls down. As you can see here, falls down. So it's a falling period of Zilliqa or start. The Zilliqa falls down with a hour by hour. As you can see here, the 2 hour price prediction, the 2 hour change as in negative, both negative 2.68% change occur in Zilliqa in the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of Zilliqa is about $0.220604 is the high price of Zilliqa. That is the live price prediction of Zilliqa of the previous last 2 hour, last 1 hour. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. So friends, it is clear that according to the price prediction that Zilliqa falls down, but don't worry about the falling of Zilliqa, because as you know it is the start of new month, that is why they falls down. And my suggestion for all of you that hold your Zilliqa with the end of this month and make a good amount of profit. Hold it with the end of this month, and that's only my suggestion, and I'm not ordering you. And what's your opinion about Zilliqa? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.